Welcome to the Smartbiz spare parts management software tutorial. Now let's get into the purchase related modules. We can find the purchase module in the transaction module. Or else we can also use the shortcut. We have to click on the new button to enter a new entry, where we can set the invoice number, invoice date, etc. We can also choose the supplier from the list box. And also we can create a new supplier right away from the purchase module by click on the blue button placed besides the supplier field. By double-clicking on the part name field will open the item find page, from where we can add item into the purchase module. In the item find page, we have multiple search on keywords such as part number, part name, etc. We can use those keywords to search an item. We also have another way to search the item from the item find page. For that we have to enter the brand name, then the model number will show the items with that brand and model number. From where we can add the item into the purchase module. Right-click on the mouse will pop up an add and delete options. We can use that to add and delete an item. And then we can enter the quantity and other fields related to the item. And also we can enter the discount. We can enter the discount by two ways, that is after tax and before tax. To enter the discount after tax, we need to check the after tax checkbox. Then the given discount amount will deduct from the total amount after tax. If we uncheck the after tax checkbox, we'll divide the discount amount and deduct from each item before tax. We can give the payment directly against the invoice by entering the details in the payment details section. There we have to choose the payment type, ledger, and the payment date. The amount entering in the payment details will be the amount paid, and the balance amount will show in the balance amount field. We can save the entry by click on the Save button. Save button will pop the Print Invoice dialog box. We can print the invoice by click on the Yes button. We can also fetch the purchase order invoice into the purchase directly from the purchase module by click on the purchase order link placed in the right upper corner. There is another way to pay the payment, which is the payment voucher. We can find the payment voucher module in the accounting module. There we can choose the supplier name as the paid to account will show all the payment dues. From where we can pay the amount. We can find or edit the saved invoice by click on the Find or Edit button. If we have to return any purchased items, we can use the Purchase Return module. All the button functions are same as the item purchase. Here we can enter the invoice number of the purchase invoice which item we purchased. Then we can set the return number and return date as well. We can choose the supplier and also we can choose the item we want to return. We can enter the payment details in the payment details section. We can find or edit the saved return entries by click on the Find or Edit button.